Hi folks, my name's Chef Tim with Wholesome, and we're here today to do a nice little video of a wonderful parfait. Alright, so how I like my parfaits, they gotta have some fruit. So I got a little banana, going to have some blackberries, gotta have strawberries. I'm a strawberry lover. And then a little whipped cream for some indulgence, and some wonderful yogurt. So, and then of course you gotta have granola, and we keep our granola in our little glass container. All right, super easy. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with the granola first. I always like a granola base just to get me started. I'm gonna put some on my cutting board. Some people like to use the loose granola. I like mine a little chunky, but if it's a little super chunky, easy fix. Take a little knife, just chop it up just a hair, and there we go, done. Put a little granola in our little cup. See, covers the bottom. Then we're going to take some of our beautiful yogurt.
Thank you.
There we go. Then we're going to spread it around. Take some of our little granola, leave it off to the side because we're going to use it. Take a banana, cut the top off, bring it down. Boop. Banana time. About a quarter of it. Slice it in half. You can do it however you want yours in little circles. Hey, by all means, little circles. A little spread. Got some bananas. Then we're going to take a little strawberry. I already washed my strawberries, folks. So it's always important to wash the strawberries. Get that dirt out of there. And then I do slices. Once again, you can do it either or. Slices, you can cut them, keep them circular. And then we're going to do one or a couple of little blackberries. You can leave them whole. All right. Take the last little bit of our yogurt, put it on top. Just like so. I'm using the Greek non-fat yogurt, extra protein, so it doesn't have extra sugar, any of that type stuff. You can definitely use whatever yogurt you like. Yep. There we go. I'm gonna put that off to the side. Put a little strawberry, a little bit of banana again. Using up everything. Ta-da! And do it again. And here's the other. So, like I said, you want them circled, it's fine. Cut it down. Put it down so it's safe. And then, there you go. Spread it out. Easy peasy. And then a couple more blackberries. See, who says this ain't gonna be a great dessert snack? You can have this as a dessert, eat it for breakfast. And then you take the last little bit of your granola, put it on top. Like I said, because I chopped mine up, I'll use my knife. If you got the loose granola, hey, you ain't hurt my feelings. And then a little indulgence. And voila, the perfect parfait. Have a good day.